This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building Your Own R2-D2, the penultimate issue. This is the one where we finish off the head. We're fitting the dome circuit board. But first we'll look at the magazine and see what's in there. Building the Galaxy. Job done. Principal photography for Revenge of the Sith. 17th of September 2003. Nearly 20 years ago that they finished filming. It's hard to believe it was that long ago. But there we go. It was. So that's what they did. It was released, obviously, then. Pretty much straight away, they probably began work on the sequel trilogy. Here we go. Looking at BB-8. We finished with R2. We're going to have a quick look at BB-8 before we finish. Cool. Very good stuff. That's when they started working on him as well, when they finished the prequels. Nice stuff. I do like BB-8. It's great. Recycling robots. Was that an extra page? No, I did turn over the right number of pages. I don't know if that's using robots for other things or robots that it's robots that are actually used to do recycling. It's not using old robots for different things. There we go. Interesting stuff. So the dome circuit board, what we're going to be building. We've got the circuit board there. We're putting the brackets on it from last time and fitting that into the dome, wiring it up the last couple of bits, and that is that. Complete assembly for now. Be very careful not to damage the circuit board until the head is fitted in stage 100 next time. So let me get this out of the way. We'll get the dome in and we'll put the last parts together. And here it is, the final big part. It is a circuit board with a cover. You don't need the cover. That's just to protect it while it's in transit. It's got an antenna built into there for it to receive, obviously, all the data and stuff. So yes, this we are fitting these two brackets to. Are they the same? They are indeed the same. One goes over that way and one goes over that way. They are fitted in place with two of these flanged screws from last time. Through there and into there. Nice and easy. Now this one should be at a slight angle. You're going to be able to move it a bit anyway, so don't worry too much about the angle of that. And this one goes over here, like so. And that one is probably about straight, so we'll leave that there. The other four screws I've got there are the ones that were going to be used to attach it. So this is going into the head from before. It's attaching using these four screws here. It basically goes underneath in there like that. It does say to be careful not to touch it, not to short it out against things and stuff. So treat it gently. What I'm going to do before I do that, because we will be plugging in this mic lead, it doesn't need to be under there. Probably keep it under that one, I think, but that's needs to be free and accessible. So we'll get that under there. As ever, I shall get one screw in to sort of hold it in place, and then we can get it lined up and tightened up. So that's going to go through there into that bracket on the other side. If I can just about see it and line it up. Looks like it's about there. I think that's actually, yep, that's connected. So that's connected there. Let's get one over on this one as well. Out there. think. Wiggle it around a little bit until you feel it. Okay. I think I can actually see the hole from the side there. It looks like it's just about there. So that is that one as well. The other two in and then tighten them all up. Especially on this one, don't tighten up the first one because you will need to wiggle it a little bit to get everything lined up. That's both of those in. This one is almost there actually, so it's not far off. My guess of the angle was just about right. That is now that one there. So then I can get the 4 of those all tightened up. And that board will be held securely in the base of the head. So we've got a couple of things to connect up. We've got the camera using this big long ribbon cable type thing. All the little circuit pins along there, that goes into there. So you need to open that up like so. Position that in the right place. Fills that entire gap there. Get that in there. And then I'm going to actually have a closer look, make sure I get it in the right place. Visor on. In there. Lock that down, and that should hold that securely in place, just like so. That's that. Push down the cover. Yeah, done that. Looking in position like this. It does. It looks just like that. Then the mic lead up past the circuit board and plug it into, well, the only place it fits. Going to fit into this end one there. That way round. Support that underneath while pushing that in. So that is the mic lead done. So that is another week done, or almost the last one coming up next time when we get to fit him together, wire up the last couple of connections, and we'll be done. That is not needed anymore. So there we have it. The last easy build. The next one is the big one, the big final finish and test. So I shall see you very shortly for that. I'll see you for other things in between. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.